My name is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to make a photo look like it's from 1970s in Photoshop. So I have my picture here, and typically when you look at a 1970s photo, it's kind of got that sort of washed out / sienna kind of filter over it. So what I'm going to do, the first thing is go to this half circle tool here, and I'm actually going to zoom back in. And I'm going to go to hue saturation, and I'm going to desaturate it just a little bit so that there's still color, but it's kind of washed out. And then I'm going to go to my layers, and I'm going to right click, merge down, and then I'm going to go to that same little half circle, and I'm going to select selective color. Oops, not gradient map. And so then you're going to sort of play around with the neutrals. And actually, you can also play with the blacks too. The blacks are gonna you kind of want those lighter colors where the darkers are. So, and I'll show you in just a moment. So you kind of want this kind of reddish hue. We're gonna go to neutrals. And make it a little more washed out like that. I'm going to go to the whites and drown those out a little bit too. Then I'm going to go to filter. I'm going to go to noise. I'm going to reduce the noise a little bit. Oops. And you want to make sure that your photo is selected too. So take your photo, filter. I'm going to say okay. It's going to take a minute because it's a big photo. And there you've got a little bit of your blur. And then if you want, you can add a little bit of contrast adjustment. And there you go. My name is Alex, and this is how you make a photo look like it's from the 1970s in Photoshop. Thank you.